Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybee's YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. Today is July 10th. The heat index out here is about 110 and it's pretty miserable. The last video up I was on robbing and I just kind of skipped over a little bit on the feeder, just kind of explained a little bit, and I had some viewers want to know exactly how to make these tote feeders. When you buy a tote for the feeder, make sure they got these ribs on them, reinforced here. If you just buy the slick Rubbermaid ones, when you put syrup in them, they swell out and the lids won't stay on them. These here, that doesn't happen. These particular ones here I bought at Sam's, but I guess you can buy them at Lowe's or anywhere else. There's not a whole lot to making one of these. Let me get the lid off of it here. Actually, this one's not drilled. I think I got another one in there that's drilled. Let me look, see if I do. Actually, I don't. So I guess we're really going to have to make one. I probably needed one anyway. You just use 2.5, 3-inch hole saw. The center drill, this plastic catches real hard, and that's why there's no center drill in this, because it caught me and it broke it. But you can study it. I just drill in the end. Works better if you got a center drill, but say I broke the center drill. That's not an option right now. Let me get the camera down just a little bit. Nothing particular about it, just get some holes in it. Be a lot easier if the center drill was in it, but it's not. So we'll just not. We're gonna have to get that out of there. Actually, I'm going to go put a center drill in it. But with your center drill in it, you have to go real slow now, because this plastic grabs and it'll break your center drill. That's why the other one was broke. I usually drill 3 on the side on this particular tub. This is a 27-gallon tote, but you could use any size. Much easier. Okay, so we've got our hose down the side. And basically that's all there is to building one of these. I don't have the boards and I ain't cutting any, but you get boards about 2 inches wide like that, and cut them to fit the bottom, about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch short in the bottom, and then you will lay them across there, spaced out, I don't know, 1/2, 3/4 of an inch all the way across, and then you throw you about 3-4 inches of straw on top of that. And what the boards are for, if you just put straw in there, the bees will get congregated in one area and the straw will sink and they'll drown a bunch of them. The boards hold the straw up so it doesn't sink like that. So I don't think you could get too much straw, but within reason. You know, 3 or 4 inches, cover the boards real good. And when you start feeding, maybe just put 5 gallons in there and check it 4 or 5 hours. So I don't know how many bees everybody's running. See if they drink it. You want it where they clean it up pretty much every day. That way it doesn't go bad. You have to feel that out on your own. But it's an easy way to feed. You got the lid on it. You don't have to worry about the rain. And I used to use the 5-gallon bucket feeder upside down, and like Barnyard uses. And does it work? Yes. But I noticed my bees wasn't getting as much feed as they needed, and there was so many bees on that bucket that they would just wad up and fall off. They was fighting. And these totes like this, they've got a whole lot more surface area that all of them can feed. They don't fight, and they get to take a lot more of the syrup down they need, and keep laying all summer. It stops the robbing, and they work really, really well for me. This idea comes from Ian Stepler, Canadian beekeeper. It's what he uses on his big operation. He runs like 3,000 hives for honey, and that's what he feeds with, and it works good for me too. We got all the contest winners got their queens today, and they was all alive, so that was a good thing. We didn't have any trouble with the post office for a change, and hopefully they'll have some good queens. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like the videos, hit the subscribe button, the bell next to it to get notified when we make more. We'll catch you later.